So usually Adobe customers are familiar with Adobe's great solutions that are leveraged every day on the desktop. I think that government customers are often surprised by the breadth and the sophistication of Adobe products to help enable them to deploy large enterprise class solutions. Whether that's using tools like Adobe Connect, which are utilized to enable real-time, on-demand collaboration, or tools like Adobe's Omniture products that help the government to track and to monitor who's accessing what resources and be able to have a very robust picture of how content is accessed and being utilized. There's several key trends that we see the government really embracing and taking advantage of. One of those first trends is really a move towards the cloud. Vivek Kundra, with his 25-point plan to reform government, has really accelerated the government's move to utilize cloud technologies. That, coupled with government's focus on providing better service, for doing it more efficiently, has also enabled the government to focus more on service to the citizen and really creating a better experience in terms of how citizens interact with the government, especially from an online internet point of view. One of the key things that we're seeing that the government is starting to embrace is the whole focus on what we call customer experience management. Customer experience management is all about enabling the government to provide a much more compelling, interactive, and rich experience for citizens, constituents, businesses that the government deals with to interact with the government from an online perspective. Because of the proliferation of technologies online, the use of mobile devices, tablets, citizens expect a very rich, on-demand, easy-to-use experience when interacting with the government, whether it's to get access to claims, delivery of service and benefits. They really want to have the same type of experience in interacting with the government that they come to expect from leading providers like Amazon and other leaders in providing online customer services and experiences. In terms of the future of how government is going to utilize technology, one thing is for certain: there's going to be change. Over the last 20 years, all we've seen is really the acceleration and adoption of new technologies. Some of the key things that we see in the future are increasing reliance on mobile devices, whether that's a tablet, a mobile phone. We'll soon be in a world where virtually every person is connected to the internet full-time, 24 hours a day, and wants to be able to access and interact with the government from a wide variety of screens. So it's not only providing applications that can be accessed from a PC, but enabling those same applications to be used by citizens who are using mobile devices, perhaps in a remote site. It's all about delivering that information, that experience, providing access to benefit and services on demand, no matter where you are, 24 hours a day.